between Axon Consultancy Private Limited Malaysia and Aditya School of Business Management, which is with Aditya Institute of Technology and Aditya institutions. And we wanted to have this collaboration to make our academic efforts to reach not only at this region and also global and internationally. For that purpose, we established these collaborative efforts, and this is here for this batch. This is going to be the first MOU we are making it, and a lot more to come in near future. And this purpose of having this MOU is to recognize both parties, that means Axon and ASBM, have many interest, and we are with many interest in common ways and means, and both are into business, strategic level, what you call training and competency development areas, where we wanted to have both parties exchange on the best practices and faculty knowledge sharing, internships and project collaborations for our students in different countries, and join collaboration in research and publications, join conferences and workshops, skill-based courses like what we have today, and as well as in future on strategic essentials and strategic competency at level 7 of UK, which is again equivalent to MBA program in strategic management, which is all in plan with us. And also join consultancy and research projects, international research projects, and other areas what we can, when and where it arises, we will be having it in near future. For these purposes, we established this collaboration, and both parties agreed along, and our chairman, sir, as well as have humbly accepted this and agreed with this, and Mr. Jack as well. For this occasion, now we are coming to a session, signing ceremony session, and both me and our CEO madam is along with us. We are here. Let us just initiate that signing part now. Our chairman is getting signed that agreement now. So let me just show it, the screen of our chairman. So Mr. Jack, can you see the screen? Whose name is there? Which name? Which name is?
Good morning, Sundar.
Good morning, sir. Just I would like to show this. Mr. Jack, can you just make the host Praveen Kumar Sugumaran that particular video on into the screen, please, Mr. Jack? Please. Praveen Kumar Sugumaran. Yeah, please. That's our chairman, sir. So, okay. Yeah, please. Let us see on the screen. Yes.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Jack. This is Sugumaran.
Please, sir. It's on you now. Please, sir.
Yes. Yeah. I think he got screen to share. So let him share screen. Okay. So we have made Mr. Praveen Kumar the co-host.
Okay. Can they share it now? Will they be able to share it? I have to check.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to just wait for it because. Can you share it, Jack? I'm having difficulties here. On behalf of them,
what do you want me to share?
Their screen, their video actually. Sir is going to give an address.
No, the video is on. I think it need not be shared. I think we can start.
Yes, we can see that now, sir. Yes, please, sir. Now it's on, sir. Now it's on. Just
it's
please
on?
proceed,
Okay.
sir. Please proceed, sir. Yes.
Okay. Very good morning, Mr. Jack, the professor, and my faculties and students. It's a greeting from Aditya School of Business Management. A warm welcome and greeting to our chief guest, Mr. Loh Jin Jack, the Managing Director of Axon Consultancy Private Limited, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. On behalf of our management and professor and the faculty and the students, we welcome all our first MBA students to getting into the highly professional environment. Aditya School of Business Management is established with a vision to become the premier international business education provider in the management, education, and research. In line with today, with all of you, we are very privileged to have the collaboration with Axan Group Malaysia to bring out the international competency and skill, the development opportunity for our management student. As we all know, Axan is a premier leading institution, offers competency and skill development certification program and higher education program at degree and master and doctoral level in the field of management and form its various international partners. Our congratulations and best wishes to Aditya School of Business Management and Axan. We look forward to work together to bring more aligned international program through our international partners. Once again, our gratitude to everyone of making today's program and our orientation for a great success and best wishes. I really appreciate Mr. Dr. Sundar, the day of the starting day itself, signing an MOU with an international institution. I think our students are very blessed to have the better, wonderful environment in Aditya institutions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your great and wisdom words. And we thank you for your best wishes as well. Jack, can we have few words from you, please? And we thank our trustee as well for joining this occasion.
Yeah.
Mr. Praveen Kumar.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Sundar and Dr. Praveen Kumar, for such a motivating and self-explanatory speech, right? We at Axon Consultancy actually we established with a main intention that is to bring good quality and high quality education, research, right, to different category of people, ranging from academia to corporates. We provide certifications for corporations in terms of business strategy, because most of the companies needs this kind of service. And together with the college, right, Aditya Institute, we are actually very happy and delightful to collaborate for future growth, because it will help us to also extend our reach to more students, to help develop the community, so that more successful businessmen, executives will be provided and developed, for the industry. This way, we believe our collaborations not only will help in the academia development, but also in research, that we can spend time together, exchange of information, that in the future, also we are looking forward to bring students from these institutions in Malaysia to visit companies, right, to talk to someone from other executive levels, from other companies, to hear from more people. Through all these kind of collaborations, we actually are very much happy and delightful that we can be a part of the very strong and powerful that Aditya Institute has actually set forward for. And we also equally hope that our participation in joint efforts and collaboration can help to have more recognition for the institute, so that the institute will be in the world map that will be, starting from today, so that every one of us will have a
There's audio disturbance, Jack. There is audio disturbance, it's not clear. Make it little more closer to you, that mic. Yeah, please. Audio. Yeah.
Where was last heard?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Only thing is just some disturbance. You continue. Just proceed.
Oh, okay. I bring the mic. Okay. So we hope that through our collaboration together, right, the institute can be at the world map, right, and we will be very happy, right, to see all these things happening because together we are bringing good quality education to the students in India, and also we hope to extend our reach through the institution to the corporations in India, so that students and us and the institute can, together with the corporations, are as one united body. Thank you very much.
So thank you, Jack, for the sky vision. It makes us feel so happy that, that the world map, how it can be visible to the people of our institution through these collaborations. It's a really high vision for us. We will work together from step by step. And now I would like to invite our CEO, ma'am. She is also with us for her wishes and blessings. Ma'am, please, it's to you.
Very happy morning to everyone present here.
Thank you.
For the managers of tomorrow from Aditya School of Business Management to have a global outlook, understanding of global scenario, and imbibe required competencies, it's more than mandatory to have an international tie-up like this with a global education training and research center. So thank you, Dr. Sundarapandian, for taking this wonderful step. And thanks to Mr. Jack for joining with us. Thanks to our chairman, sir, and our trustee for allowing us to take this wonderful step for the students of ASBM. So best wishes to Dr. Sundarapandian and the team to take ASBM to the new heights. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for all your blessings. And, the students are so privileged. It's more than us. The students are going to enjoy us. Mr. Jack and all of you said clearly, it's not about just academic collaboration. It is for us to produce more great leaders for the corporate. That's a motto we are with our ASBM, experience the corporate life. With that, we would like to conclude this ceremony, and we will be back after a short break with chat with Mr. Jack session and our dignitaries. Thank you so much for joining this occasion, and we may now come to a conclusion of this session. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. We'll meet up later in another occasion. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sundar.
Yeah, thank you, Jack, and thank you, Sundar.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm going to make Sundar you the host because I'm moving to the other side. Huh?
Yes, please. Yes, please. You can just make me the host and you can make necessary sessions, and I'll give them just 5 minutes break. Then I'll start with something. Then you can join in. Once you're joining, I will leave it to you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now we can stop the live stream, Jack. Yeah.
Okay, boss.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank
Jack.
you.
Nice
Thank you.
getting in touch with you.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.